Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link tables in Airtable. First, understand why you need to connect information across different tables. This helps maintain data integrity and efficiency. Begin by identifying the primary field in your main table. This field uniquely identifies each record. Next, navigate to your secondary table where you want to establish the connection. You will then create a new field specifically designed for linking records. This foundational step is crucial for building robust database relationships. Now let's set up that link field. When adding a new field, select the link to another record field type from the options. This tells Airtable you're building a relationship. You'll then be prompted to choose the specific table you want to connect with. Consider if you need to link to one record or multiple records within that field. This choice impacts how your data is displayed and managed, so select carefully based on your workflow needs. With your link field configured, it's time to connect your records. You can manually link by typing in the record name or selecting it from a drop-down list. For larger datasets, Airtable can often suggest or even automatically link records based on matching data. Once linked, you'll see the connection reflected in both tables, creating a powerful two-way relationship. This ensures consistency and allows for easy navigation between related information, streamlining your data management. Finally, let's leverage your newly linked data. You can add lookup fields to pull specific information from your linked records directly into your current table. For more advanced analysis, roll-up fields allow you to perform calculations, like sums or averages, across all linked records. This transforms raw data into actionable insights. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. These powerful features make Airtable an incredibly versatile tool for managing complex projects and information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.